Let me show you how to open a BigPay account in Malaysia. Now, in order to do this, make sure you first of all download the application onto your device. And once you open up the application, you'll be able to see a similar screen. You just need to head over to the sign up process. Now, the first thing that you need to do in this situation or in this section is enter in your phone number. Make sure you select your country code, add in your phone number, and then simply create a 6-digit PIN for your application. Once you have added in your phone number, in the next step, it is going to ask you to verify your identity, which is fill in your information such as your email address, your full name, and then you'll need to also provide in your documents, which could be your MyCat ID if you are a Malaysian citizen. If you're a foreigner or a non-resident, you could also use a passport as well. So make sure you fill in all of the information and then simply tap on next. Lastly, you'll need to scan your face ID as well, or scan your face, and your account should be created usually within 20 to 48 hours. So this is the exact steps that you need to follow. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.